Unless you're a weird celebrity. So this is a nighttime view. Our guys always get a daytime view of the Statue of Liberty when I go to Staten Island. This is a nighttime view of it. And I'm going to actually put a death